Yo, what's up guys? This is Romik Datto and you are watching Romik Datto Creation. And today we are going to make this kind of classic design in Photoshop. So are you ready guys? Let's do it. So guys, first we need to have a square page. So all you can just go to File, select New and make 180 new page. Okay, then we have to make this color, so all we need to just control backspace. Okay, we got the color. After that we have to add some effect on the color. How we can add some effect? So easy, just go to Grinder, select this one because where you have this kind of effect. Get a new layer first, select on this tool, make a box like this, and again go to Grinder. After that we have to add a background effect on this. Same way, go to Grinder, but this time select this icon. Now get a new layer and make it like this. Look like this. It's fun. You need a CPNG image. Just go to Google and select, search for seawater. Search for seawater, C-A-T-E-R, seawater PNG. You got this kind of effect. You can select this one. It is already in PNG. Just save it, save the image. After that, come back here, make this image big, a little bit. Yeah, that's nice. Remove the upper version, like it's already too much whitish effect, like we don't need this shit. Yeah. After that, go to effect, select this one, anything, this one is good. No, I think this one. Yeah, this one is correct. Reduce the capacity and voila, you got the see effect. It's so easy. You need the product. If you're using any kind of juice or anything, you got the product from the company. So I have that product already in PNG version like this. So you just need to put that in and make a flash effect. You need a flash image like this. You can search it in Google. You can get it easily. Flash PNG orange juice. It's not that big deal. So after that, you have to add some shadow, right? Select that image, press Ctrl and select it again. Take a new layer and use the brush. First, don't use the black color for this. Instead of that, use something like this kind of color. It's look good and looks so realistic. Make the brush a little bit bigger. Like this, use some shadow for the flash, and you get it. So this shadow part is done. We have to add a glass of orange juice. You can get it easily like PNG, of course. Add a straw from Google. Same way, straw PNG. Straw PNG. You can use any straw. Okay, this one is good. Or maybe this one. Oh yeah, we need this one. Actually, we use this one. Okay. There's a fun thing. If you have the straw, your thinking might be how I made it like it is
in the glass.
So easy. If you see it, there's a different thing. There's a two layer, second layer, which is this one, this part of the straw. If you see, the capacity is 24%. Sorry, 25. So now we have to add some effect. Now you have to add some effect like it is reflecting. How we can make it? Just copy the PNG image, Control T, make it upside down, put it here, and then use this toolbar and just make it like this. See, looks like it's reflecting under the water. The same thing you should do with the glass.
Visit our website www.romikdattocreation.in, where simply click on the Book Now button and choose the perfect price plan for your work. Even you can choose your plan timing. Although don't forget to sign up or log in before buying your plan. And if you're using your phone to log in, then click on the 3-bar button and select Contact Me. There you just need to fill up the form and click on the Send button to grow your business with me.
Same. Select copy the glass. Copy this effect and put it here. Just change the size. Now add some orange. You can get it same way, orange PNG. See, I think I used this one. Anything you can use. Add some orange. Remove the lower person because so it will look like it is under the water. So yeah, just erase it. Add some shadow and then add some eyes. You can get this the same thing like just eyes PNG. You can get a lot of ice cubes. You can just merge it and make it your own. Okay, so add some eyes. You need to add some leaves. Just write L-E-A-V-E, leaf. Leaf PNG. Get this leaf. Go to the side. Select the image. And download this. Open, download, select the leaf. Get it here, change the size, make it normal first, bro. Change the size, go to filter, select blur and select motion blur. So that is look like it's just like it's dropping or something. Okay. Looks realistic, so easy. You can add some oranges here. Add some leaf over here, same way, select PNG image and go to filter, use blur. Now you have to add a logo for the brand up here, looks good. Add some text like India's #1. How we can create #1 look like this? So easy, just type #1. Now it seems like the 1 is the same one, but how we can change the size? Go to this side and drag it. Make it like big. So it will looks big rather than this thing. Then go to effect, open drop shadow, and you can just make a shadow and look effective. So it's done. After that, add some shadow in the lower part so that we can use some text. Very easy. Select a black color, go to grinder, select this one and just also select this so that it will appear like this. Here, add some text like a quote or something. Add some more text so it will look good, professional and nice. Add some orange juice. Like this kind of floating orange juice effect. Get a PNG orange juice and just use it. Looks good. Now it's looking engaging. You can add more orange image like a PNG one so it will look engaging. and then go to text, write ORANGE, orange, make that even smaller. Place that image backside and go to effect and select stroke, and there in the color select white. Make that stroke size maybe 10, looks good, and just fully make that fill 0. Look at this. It's look good. I think now we are done. So fucking easy. Anyone can make it. So there's nothing to say much more. If you like the video, hit like, share, subscribe our channel, and don't forget to share this video with your designer friends. I hope you learned a lot, and Remove the Creation is always told you guys more about designing. Remove the Creation is all about design, I could say. Thank you so much. Visit our website and let's work together. Thank you so much.